Gaming here, and today this is kind of like a half vlog, half like not vlog. So the little half vlog is just gonna be like a minute, literally. So what we're gonna do is we're going to a yard sale right now. See what we can pick up anything cool. If we can't, or if there's nothing really good, then whatever. So I'll film it. But what I'm extremely happy about is I got this thing, these two, and a red one, which I'm going to be hydro dipping. I dropped it. Maybe. But we're going to be hydro dipping this, those two, and another fidget spinner. That's red. So yes. So I guess we're here. So yes. Okay guys, so the amazingest thing happened. They were selling Guitar Hero for $10. Look at that. Wait 1 second, let me switch the camera. There we go, just gotta put this down. Here we go. Guitar Hero, the Aerosmith. Look at this. It has the thing inside of it. $10. That's it. You tell me that's not a steal. That's like worth $100. And there's another Guitar Hero guitar right here. I already found something else. Don't worry. Oh, I thought that was something else. Okay, like guys, that is like the most lit thing that was ever existent. Okay, so let's go. Like, this thing is just the best.
Whoa, stop. The reason I say whoa, stop, is because these I got from my sister, and they're very delicate. They're little biscotti cookies. I don't want to break them.
Right, Dad?
Yep.
Your face is very red.
Mine is or yours is?
Yours.
Really? Your ears are red.
I know. Red ears? Should be my name, but yeah, guys, so on to the hydro dipping. Okay, guys, so we got stuff. We got metallic gray, obviously. We got metallic plus whatever purple. We got green. We got yellow. So I guess let's just get into it. Dad, you're very bad. I guess we can do this first. We get a lot of stuff. And we gotta get a lot and stuff. And it's not really
Well, it's cool.
Now, fun things. Green.
End up with brown.
I could care less. Gray. Dad, go get me a screwdriver, please.
That color's cool.
That's good. So we'll be back when my dad gets me a screwdriver. Okay, so now let's take our stick, make whatever design you could go like boom. So they worked that well with it.
Cool.
I like that.
Why is it all slimy?
Use this paint.
Can I try?
Please don't. It's the green that like is weird.
The green's
You ready?
pretty.
Yeah, go for it.
3, ready? 3, 2, 9.
Your fingers are too small.
I could care less.
You care now?
Yeah, it's kind of screwed. I messed that up. Well, second try, people. I guess my arm is now hydro dipped though.
How did it not work?
You dropped it in. That's how it not worked.
Yeah. But now I have a hydro dipped arm, I guess.
That's pretty cool.
Does look really neat. So now, I guess we just gotta do the same thing,
Again.
but redo it. So, you can cut through cue Morty. Okay guys, so, ready? Go. Tell me this doesn't look awesome, Mom.
Looks really cool so far. Ooh.
Look at that very close.
Okay.
It's not all green.
When did the dipping start?
Ready? Can I that stick that I handed you? Right there. Ready? Oh, right there. Oops. Waited a little bit too long. Get the purple. Right there. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
That going. Boom, bam, bop, bada, bop, boom, pow. Let's go. Boom. No, I guess that won't happen. So. Boom.
Is that it?
Yep.
Ta-da!
Well, no, don't. Yeah. Follow me. Follow me.
I have to follow you.
Could you do me a favor? Could you put this up there? Thank you. Now we're done. Yeah. Okay, guys. So after a few hours of drawing, I think it looks really cool. So now we're going on to the next one. Yes. Okay. So I had to do that. So let's get right into this. Boy. I'll have to shake it. I could care less. There we go. Boy, tell me this doesn't look lit. There's more green. Okay, now, in the rock. Right there. Stick. This is like the best part. Just going like this. Look at that. Tell me that doesn't look amazing, Dominic. Nice, mate. Nice. Oh, it's drying quick. It's drying quick. Should we do it?
Yeah.
Okay. 2, 1. Let me just take it out. Yo! It's all warm, right? I'm just gonna do that one more time. Get some gray in there. There we go, boy. Yo, that's a lot of gray. Nice. It's fun to do just over and over again. Okay, sorry. I'll stop. Okay, let's do this. Go from here. Now. Okay, guys, so now we got
That good?
get a bit more. You need to like
That?
yeah. We're gonna rehydrate the things.
Like that?
Yeah, boy. It's good. Grace, go away. Go away. Hey guys, can we hydrate with that next?
But this is Maggie's.
I don't want Maggie. Should we make dehydrated in that? Yo, that looks good. I think the metallic gray, the metallic.
Is there any other kind of?
Yeah, there's blue. I mean. Then what you want to do is take like a stick like this, like make cool patterns if you want.
Since it's small, I'm gonna get an area with like all of it. Like you should dip like right there so you get every single color.
Yeah, boy.
Or like right here. Okay, just there, like right here. So you get
Okay, ready?
every color. 3, 2, 1.
Yo, that looks so lit.
Okay, let it dry.
Let it dry. Where should we put it? Put it on the cap. Okay, a second. I need to not. Okay, you just take this camera, please, for me. I guess I could just.
Russell, do it with this.
You want that hydro dip?
What hydro dip?
She wants to hydro dip the lacrosse ball.
Okay. So.
Doesn't that look
yeah.
sick though?
Yeah. So, yeah. One. Okay, guys. So now we got this. Yes, Dominic is obviously the master. When I do it, it's okay. But oh no, the water's twirling.
Oh crap!
That's not good.
Screw the water.
Yeah, not the water's bad. Yeah, boy. Oh, that looks lit. The green is like way over there. Yo, dude, that kind of looks like the Batman symbol, like the. Oh yeah.
I'm saying
guys,
put
now we're gonna
right there, right
hydro
there.
dip this. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Yo,
Doesn't that look cool?
that looks so cool. Okay, now where are we gonna set this to dry? Oh, I have an idea. Ready?
Russell, is your other thing dry yet? Your
Or you could just put it on the lamp.
like all this part on the lamp. Boom. Let's do it.
There we go.
That's cool. And now the ball.
Okay, so yes,
You're gonna.
boom. Okay, guys, so one more, or actually, we're gonna be dipping a few more things. We're gonna be dipping a lot of stuff. This time it's gonna be a lacrosse ball. This one is a little bit long. Oh no, it's just shiny. Sorry, bad camera quality. I'm just trying.
Well, that looks so.
Maggie, dry this off in your shirt. Thank you. And that looks lit. Take your stick and do the thing if you want. Take a stick with not
Yeah.
too much stuff on it.
Here you go.
Thank you. Maggie.
What did you do?
Right there, right there. Right, okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, dip. And out. Well, aw. Right, it's a sphere. That side. How about this? Oh, the ball's not dipping that well. it didn't work that well. Okay, guys, so I guess the ball sucked. Ugh. Okay. So, I guess let's let everything dry. So, yes. Guys, look at my glove. It's not gonna work. It's like
Could you like this?
messed up. Yeah, no, that won't work. I guess we could just randomly spray it. Ready?
Can I do it?
Yeah, ready?
I love spraying things.
I love it.
Just spray it.
So you just
What color you want it, Grace? It'll only
No, we're gonna do a lot.
No, I want purple and green and orange.
Okay.
Purple, green, and orange. No gray.
Me too. Try not to get it on my arm, please. Yeah, Grace.
You forgot over this
Okay.
There you go.
We're gonna have like
Right.
spots. Orange. Turn it around.
Sorry, guys. It's extremely hard to camera.
Okay, there it is.
There we go. So I guess we could just literally, let's just, where should we put it?
How about here?
Put it right on the huge wall. This is
No,
your
it
boy
can't be
DJ.
dirty.
I could care less. There we go. So yas. Oh, that's so much fun. Just go like this, dude. But now look at my hand. It's like completely. The back is completely fine.
The black is so pretty. The flying. Ew.
So yas, guys. You can barely put my thumb up, but yas.
He's doing
Okay,
green
so
first.
go in. Okay, so we're gonna hydro dip the flour next because we're literally hydro dipping everything. We're waiting for everything else. It's hydro dipped to dry. But literally everything else. So.
Why are your nails colored? Don't know.
No one
Because he
asked.
wants to.
Yeah, Maddie.
Because he wants it.
Get that amazing aluminum. That metallic aluminum. It'll take you. Oh, crab. Let's do grab some. It's slipping. It's slipping. Okay, I got it back. Yo!
Right there.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Yep.
It won't go under.
1 second. Hold this. Hold this, Tom. There we go. Boom. Ready? Back out.
Wow.
Yo! Gosh.
It died.
And the Tom was right. It's the. Well, that's it. Right? That's good. Focus. 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 It's not focusing. Or whatever.
Yeah.
So it's pretty messed up. Yeah. So yas, because yas. Bye, guys.
I know.
I mean, not bye, guys, but you know, literally. So yas. Okay, guys. So, this fidget spinner, the fidget cube, actually works just fine after cleaning the ball up. Was the only thing that got like a little bit weirded. Just by this, and we'll clean it up a little bit more. It gets a little bit stuck in one place, which is where we need to clean it. But yeah, so then everything else literally works just fine. Wait, where's you? You work just fine. This thing works just fine.
It's
So.
like the thing that you spin around.
Oh yeah. No worries. Yeah, this thing. This, nothing, I guess, really happened to that one. So it obviously would work just fine. But, you know, yeah, so yeah, because, oh wait, I think, something touched it. But, this is dry. But the paint does peel off.
Russ, just because
Kind of easily.
think how bad you would feel if you got a scratch on it.
There we go.
And besides, it's too shiny. It hurts my eyes.
Oh, wow. That's a bendy head. But, and I don't know why, but it always takes, and we're going to be giving this away at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. And no one knows why, but this fidget spinners take forever to dry. So, yes. Because, yes. So, yes. Okay, guys, so, while we're waiting for our stuff to dry.
Hold my hand.
Why? Okay. Oh yeah, we have to cross the road. We're little children. We have to hold hands to cross roads. But what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so we're at the ice bowl.
So lacrosse tournament.
Yeah, it's the lacrosse tournament. It's completely packed.
We're not playing in it, but we have a game tomorrow.
Yeah, we have a game tomorrow, so why not? Watch the ice bowl. So, yes. Okay, guys. So yeah, we did it. This one's completely dried. 1 second. Oh yeah, and this literally just came in. It's made by Spinnercraft. 1 second. This is mine. Thank you. Made by Spinnercraft, and I think it's really nice. Works really well.
Maggie!
So yeah, Maggie, don't do it. Maggie, don't do that. So let's take this. I will. So I think this is just about done.
What?
Take this down. I'm trying to YouTube. Thank you very much. Love you, Mom. I'm trying to YouTube. Thank you very much. Sorry, I just had to take that out, and I took both hands. Tell me this does not look really cool. This one's Dominic's. No, this one's mine. Yeah, this one's mine. Dominic's, or the guy who's helping me. He had to leave. Yeah. But yes. So, yes. Okay, guys. So, remember what I said? We'll be doing 3. Oh, that it keeps dropping. Doing 3 fidget spinners. Well, I got a new glow. It's amazing. It's sexy. Well, I mean, we did it off camera, but then it dried weird. This is pretty much just green. So yeah, I'm not feeling the redoing it part. So yeah. So okay, guys. So I like I said before, I know we were going to. 1 second. I know we were going to, how'd you do this? I did off camera. Camera didn't really work that well. Totally, that scared me. I thought I did something worse. I need this other way. Boom. Okay, boom, and I can just eye that. Sorry, guys, but yeah. So I'm gonna make a DIY fidget spinner. You can do this with anything. You can do this with coins. Like, just the weight doesn't matter. It's just the middle ball bearing thing. I don't know. Yeah, but so yeah. So I guess pretty sure this is heated enough up heat oven up. So you just want to get a little bit of glue. Oh. It says a little bit, pour a bunch of pours. Oh, I hate this. Okay, so a little tiny dab. I gotta get this on quick. Oh God. Like I said, quick is key. And this is just like the first thing. This hot glue is extremely hard to work with, so 1 second. Meh. Okay, so guys, we got this thing, and I know it doesn't look like the proportions are right, but they are, because these three bearings are completely different. So this bearing is a little bit less. This one's way less, and this one's more. So I tried to make it as even as possible. It goes extremely well. Let me get these in because it's really hard to do this over. 1 second. Unplug. You go. Bye-bye. No one cares about you. Okay, I'm sorry, everyone. You have friends and family. Look at this, ready? So look at that thing. This thing never really went that well, and I think it is just because I know why it's not going well. Well, this is why you never give me a task. It's because there's glue all around the rim touching this thing, which stops it. Ready? Look at this. Instantly gets stopped. So what I gotta do is take this out. Oh yeah, and I made this so the thing will come right out. These obviously won't because they're glued in. But let me just take these. Let me take these elf. I'll take them elf. Let me see. I'm just gonna pick. This is pretty much what I've been doing. What I was doing in the time lapse when I was just out. I was picking at it because I needed my light. I was out of light. It's like my dad. But no, I'm not kidding. It's like it's hard to see. I think it might be these. Yeah. Might be. Let me see where my caps are. I totally knew they were right there. What is touching it? Is it this one? Oh yeah, it's this one. What is touching it? It's the side things, side winders. Huh. Sorry. I kind of had to get that close to my face too. So I'm bad at that. Huh. Yeah, those 2 minutes were not 2 minutes. That was like 2 seconds. Jeez. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna time lapse this too. So yeah. Okay, guys. That never happened. Totally. No, it was not you. Okay, so guys, I scraped as much paint as I could possibly do in a short amount of time. Still works pretty well. I think it's this. There we go. So I think it worked very well. Bring the light up. There we. What is going on with my? Okay, so. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see all you guys in the next video. But like I said, I did hydro dip it. Technically hydro dipping 3. Just this one kind of got messed up. So yes, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see all you guys in the next video. Bye.